Yo, what's up, what's up, YouTube? Here at my boy's shop, Revive Raps. About to check on what he's doing. There's not much to do with this whole lockdown and quarantine stuff, so decided to come over here because he has a one-man shop, so he's still doing his thing, still doing his part, wrapping cars. I mean, it's just him. So I'm gonna go inside now. We're gonna see like what he's working on. I got my side skirts. I got them painted. Haven't put them on yet, and I just scratched them. Walking through the house, I turned and I nicked them. Got some paint, and I put it on there, but I can't believe I already did that and haven't installed them on the car yet. So anyways, we're gonna go inside Revive shop now. Gonna go see what he's wrapping, what colors he's doing. I know it's a full wrap, so we're gonna go inside and then we're gonna put these skirts on too, since he has some room in the shop, he said, and he has a drill and everything, so it'll be perfect. Show you guys how that all goes down as well. Let's go inside now. Quarantine yourself? What are you doing? Pro white?
Satin white.
Or satin white? Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, you kind of knocked out a bunch, huh? Since yesterday's picture, you just sent me the fender and the back.
Yeah, yesterday I had a roof on a Subaru in the morning, so I started this late. I did like the quarter panel fender yesterday. It's pretty quick because of the convertible, so like the quarter panel is just that little section.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about the...
So everything is pretty quick. That front bumper is going to be the thing that takes the most time.
All the corners.
The camo of that.
Yeah, that's going to be the hard part.
I hope this paint holds up. It's
What?
like a lot of this is repainted, like it's all textured.
Oh, got you.
The clear coat's all cracking up here, so I'm worried about this part failing over time. Like up on that seal, there's a bunch of old clear coat.
Yeah.
It's either repainted or they re-cleared a lot of it or something. The bumpers are kind of like off alignment, so there's a big gap here. So it's definitely been in
Like how mine is.
yeah, it's been in some kind of accident.
I don't know what happened to mine.
I think someone probably bumped it in a parking lot and just like pushed and then it came back out and it just kind of like...
I don't know how there was no mark too, you know what I mean? Like there was no mark or nothing. Yeah, because mine is showing quite a bit. Did you see that? Like everyone sends them. Everyone sends them too. Everyone's like, "Damn, bro, like another one." I'm like, "Yeah, another one."
I bet your car's like all over people's Explorer pages because they follow like car stuff. And then they're like, oh, they're on this.
Oh, I want to get that. This shit is so difficult.
I'm sure your car might have shot like one of this with these colors.
And then they don't even follow me.
Let's see if you can search utilities.
Sir, I appreciate your shit.
That Camaro is the funniest one of them.
Oh, that's the exact same.
The G6.
Literally the exact same.
That's the funniest one.
I was like, what the hell? These are them. Got them painted. Dusty as hell, 'cause they've just been sitting inside the house. And that's the one I just nicked. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's horrible. See it right there? Look, I nicked that one too. Fucking up right now. Let me wipe these down real quick. Of course, the rag is inside the car, in the trunk. See what happens. See what happens. Just drilling into it for no freaking reason.
You have skirts before?
No. My first time. See how it's just weird.
Are you all the way up or are you past? So this is flush back here.
It's flush. I have like an inch here. So I wonder if it goes like right.
Yes. Does this one fit better or worse? This one's worse. Right? Tuck that all up in the front. I mean, like push it in.
Oh.
Let's see if it fit differently with the length is.
I don't know. The length's weird, huh?
Wait, were you short on the other side? Because I was holding it flush in the front.
Yeah, like I was like half an inch.
This is a. That's up to you. I don't know if you want to talk to them before you drill holes or. At the very least, I feel like this should be flush. And then this should fit in here. Is there a difference between Hellcat skirts or anything?
I don't think so. But it didn't even say it was Hellcat. It just said 2015, 2018 Charger. That's all it said.
I don't know if it was just like a difference.
Yeah, and then like push like yours. Huh? Yo, what's up? Sorry guys for the video being a little late, but what happened was, so the video you guys are watching was my side skirt installs from Icon, and I didn't realize it until after we were done, and I went to go grab the camera that I ran out of memory. So this video is going to be a little bit all over the place. So sorry for that. Other than that, let me just show you guys like what they look like, what I think about them. I'm gonna need at least 2 more bolts. Sorry, I was about to burp and I guess it wasn't gonna come out. There it goes. But I need about 2 more bolts for them to be sturdy enough. I just haven't done it. This whole quarantine crap sucks, so I really haven't even. This is my first time driving the car in about 2 weeks now. So let me show you guys the skirts, the likes, the dislikes, all that stuff. So what I'm going to show you guys is, let me open the door real quick, turn off the car so you guys can hear me, is every time I get out, and this is just me, I mean, I knew this, but every time I get out, I hit it, so I need to start stepping a little bit wider so I don't mess them up. But this is them on the car. Let me get on this side in the sun. If I hit it, it'll look a little bit better. You guys will see my shadows. That's the skirts right there. Not bad. This little. That's why I got them, is because I like that little fin, whatever you want to call it. The only thing I don't like is that it's like half an inch away from being at the very edge, and the same right there, see, about half an inch off. It blends in good, like with my splitter, because my splitter is the exact same way. See how my splitter goes? It's like flush, you know, so that's the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, it does look good on the car. So that's from Icon. My diffuser is from Icon as well, but my front splitter is from Abazin Carbon, I believe I'm saying it right. That's the only splitter that I like because it goes with the body lines. Yeah, so this is the car. I'm sure you guys have seen it so many times. Yeah, it's a color shift, so I like it. I'm about to change it soon though, because that's what I do. Always change with my mind. These, like they just change. I don't know if you're able to catch it. A little bit. And then Impact Club for being one of the top 4 contestants. Best rap, and then what was the other one? I forgot what the other one was. It was best rap, and I believe best cat talk on Instagram, and that's the sticker that I got on that side. And it changes colors too, same as that right there. So that all blends in. See, you have them right there. I don't know if I'll keep them on, to be honest. But I came to this spot over here I normally come out to. It's a little cul-de-sac. We always do photos and videos here. It's away from like the city, so you don't have a chance of cops pulling up and trying to tell you to leave or anything like that. It's rare that it happens. You get inside the car because it's windy as hell. Oh, let me show you guys what these side skirts will look like being aired out. That's why I like them too. Makes the car look a lot lower. So let me air it out real quick. Let's see, watch. I'll show you guys. Let me see. Actually, watch. This is what I'll do. I'll do this. This will be better. I got the anal beads. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's just what I always call them. Screws on the bottom of the camera. Set it up like a tripod and all that. But that's my funny humor, I guess. I think it's funny. I don't care if you guys do. But let's see. So it doesn't look too bad. So it's pretty low to the ground now. You can't see underneath the car or anything right now. I like the way the whole look is. I can go a little bit lower. I'm actually gonna get new tires soon, so I can. In the front, at least, have my rears and my front match, like I told you guys before. But not too bad. See, it's not bad. But yeah, those are my side skirts from Icon Motorsports. Not bad. I think they're like $150, and I don't know why I keep burping, to be honest. $150, painted them for $50, and so a total of $200, I guess you could say. What is that? Has something inside the car. It's freaking bugging me. But yeah, so that's my side skirts. Check them out. I found them on Instagram. Make sure you follow my Instagram as well. And if not, then you don't. I mean, there's not much more I can tell you. It's just a simple click and some likes, and that's all I ask. But yeah, the wrap will be changing soon after this quarantine shit's done. I just don't know how soon, but we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm actually gonna end this video so I can start another video that I never got to finish because of the whole memory thing. Alright guys, out.